With us here now, Professor Michael Zürn of the Wissenschaftszentrum Berlin. Mr. Zürn, please tell us a little bit about the research project that you're engaged in.
This research project essentially encompasses two phases. One phase we started out together with Randy Perenboom and Andrew Nordkemper. It was about rule of law dynamics. The basic idea that the concept of rule of law has experienced an enormous amount of dynamics, and one part of it is rule of law promotion. But this rule of law promotion can be shown in this volume that will be published is pretty limited in terms of success. I mean, the rule of law diffusion in different countries is not moving that quickly that some people would like to see it. The major reason is not so much that this rule of law promotion projects did choose the wrong approach, but that there's a lot of things going on the ground level in terms of rule of law conversion. In that sense, one of our conclusions is that this interaction between rule of law promotion and rule of law conversion needs to be studied much more closely. However, there's another finding, and that leads to some extent to the stuff of work that I want to do in the future in this context, is that nevertheless there was a moment of rule of law diffusion to the transnational and international level. Those international institutions and organizations who were strongly and who are strongly involved in rule of law promotion increasingly receive demands that they should follow the rule of law principles as well. In that sense, the notion, the concept of rule of law has traveled to the transnational and the international level, and the question in the second phase that we in Berlin want to study is under which conditions are those demands successful, when do international organizations accept principles of the rule of law for their own conduct, under which conditions does this take place, and what does that mean for the international order in terms of their potential for constitutionalization.
Very clear. Thank you so much.